Still managing IT assets in an Excel spreadsheet? Or even worse, do you think that your CMDB in its current state is just too broken to fix? Well, here's the reality. See, CMDB for asset management isn't hard. You've just got to stop trying to do everything all at once. Without structure, you're exposed. Missing laptops, overspending on licenses, zero visibility during audits, and chaos during onboarding or offboarding. Think of your CMDB like a warehouse. You wouldn't manage stock by memory. You'd label every item, track movement, and audit what's missing. It's exactly what asset management should look like. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 6 steps to making managing assets within your CMDB simple and effective. Step 1. Planning and strategy. This is where most teams fail. Let's say your first goal is to get real-time, accurate inventory of all laptops by user. That's it, nothing else. This clarity keeps you from trying to resolve everything at once. Step 2. Identification. What assets and attributes do you need to support the use case? For laptops, it's things like serial number, assigned user, warranty expiration, and location. Check what attributes are in your CMDB right now, and then work out what's missing. Step 3. Control. This is all about your baseline and where process meets discipline. When a laptop gets assigned to a new staff member or sent for repair, do you have a process for that? Every move, change, or disposal needs to go through a controlled update. No gaps, no surprises. Step 4. Status accounting. This is where you need to manage the ins and outs of your CMDB. Some laptops are active, some are in storage, and a few may be being repaired. You need to know where they are at a glance without chasing emails. If you're enjoying this video and you've been tasked with improving your IT service management, your service delivery, or uplifting operational excellence within your organization, then head over to servicemanagementspecialists.com/call and apply for a free, no obligation 30-minute strategy call with one of our ITSM experts. We will give you tailored guidance and advice on your current challenges, your priorities, and your goals. Spots are limited each week, so if you're serious about making a difference, go to servicemanagementspecialists.com/call to see if you qualify. Step 5. Verification and audit. This is how you build trust in your data. You've recorded who has each laptop. Now it's about verifying that on a regular basis. Spot checks, audits, or reconciliations so that you're confident that what's in the system matches what's in the real world. Step 6. Relationship management. This is your final check. Does the first 5 steps actually align with what your business actually wants? If you're still not solving key problems like missing assets during audits or delays in onboarding, it's time to undertake root cause for those issues and adjust. Most organizations skip these steps and expect the tool to solve everything and end up back right where they started. Follow these 6 steps, stick with the use cases, clean up your CMDB, and make asset management easy forever. Want to see how CMDB, IT services, and configuration management all work together? Then click here to watch this next video.